That's the grandfather clock. No, don't touch it. I'm filming you, okay? Okay, where are you going to go now? Now what? Now what? Hmm? Hmm? Where are you going? Nobody's in there yet. Everybody's still sleeping. Everybody's sleeping. Hmm? You don't like that book? Or that one? That book sucks too. Yeah. That's heavy. You gonna walk around with that book? Hmm? No, don't go to the bathroom. Hey. No, nothing there for you. Come on. Out of there. Nothing there for you. Out, 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 out. No. Sorry. Is that a good book? Elisa, you like that book? You like that book? No. Put that book back. It's too heavy. This one's too heavy, okay? Oh, thank you. You put it back. Where's the doggy? Show me the doggy. Is that a doggy right there? That one? That's a doggy? That one. Is that a doggy? What? Give me this book. No more with this book. It's too heavy. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Oh, you can close the door like easy, huh? Now open it. Open the door. Open the door. Open it. Hmm? You reach it? You have to touch the handle up here. Up here. Touch the handle. Almost. You're almost there. Pretty soon. Pretty soon. That's the doggy. Is that a doggy? Give the doggy a kiss. Dale besito al doggy. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Another doggy. Doesn't that one bark? Which one's the one that barks? Let's see. See? Make him bark. Oh. Put him back. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. What a good girl. Put the doggy back now, too. How about the doggy? This one. Here. Put the doggy back. Put that one inside too. He belongs in there. Thank you. How about this doggy? This doggy. All the doggies, all the toys in there. Put it back. Put it back in there. No? You gonna play with that one? Thank you. Now what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do now? Let's get out of here. Come on. Ready? Let's open the door. See, watch. Mommy's gonna open the door. Okay, open the door and get out. No, don't close it. There you go. Let's get out.